Hi friends, in previous session I taught you vengeance with examples, and in today's session I'll be teaching the Barakadi. So you have to be thorough with the swear and the vengeance. So if you learnt vengeance alphabets and you have to practice day by day, if you practice it, you will be getting all the Barakadi's letters. Okay, so first I'll be teaching you swear letters. I had written swer letters and the matra. For A we don't have any matra, and for A we have one sleeping line and then a standing line and a sleeping line. For E I'll be writing here. For Ha we don't have any matra. For Ha one standing line and one sleeping line, and for E one standing line, with that we have to put a curve, and then one Barakadi, this is Shiroreka. And for E one standing line, with that have to write a curve and one sleeping line. This U will be writing like in a one circle and like in a curve, like it will be like in a, it looks like in a 6, but the 6 will be like sleeping. So one circle and then have to put a curve, and for Q have to put a circle and the curve, one curve. This looks like in a sleeping 9. And for Re have to put a C type, and for A have to put a upward arrow curve, and for I have to put a 2 curve. This is the matra for I. And for O have to put a standing line and on a curve and then a Shiroreka. For Au one standing line and 2 curve and a Shiroreka. And for this is Anuswar. We say this swar alphabet name is Anuswar. This is we say but this has a name Anuswar. Have to put a dot above the letter, and aha. This comes after the alphabet. Aha. This is aha. This is Anuswar. This is Visarg. Okay friends, this Anuswar I'll be teaching in the later in detail how to sound it for each and every words be different. So I'll be teaching in the upcoming videos. So this is the matras. This is the full matras for the Hindi letters of Barakadi. So if we learn this matras thoroughly, remaining every letters we have the same matra for all the vengeance alphabets. So you make sure you read, or you make sure you understand all the vengeance alphabets thoroughly, and then with this matra you can write all the Barakadi's words, okay, letters. So first for Ka I'll write Ka plus, this is small, this is half Ka, this is half Ka plus A Ka. And similarly for everything I have written in English for swear in the first video. So similarly have to write for all the vengeance first letter. Okay, Kha, one standing line like this, one zero reka Ka, and next one is Ka. Have to put a standing line and then Shiroreka. Ki. First you have to write the alphabet has to write right side, and then you have to write a matra like this. Also you can write, or standing line, or you can touch the standing line over here and have to put a Shiroreka. Next is Ki. Have to write the alphabet, and then with this you can have to touch the one from this standing line. You have to write like this, and then Ki. Ku. As I said, one circle and then has to be extended. Ku. Like circle, and it has to be extended in the right side. This will be extended in the left side, this will be extended in the right side, but it's upward, this is downward. Ku. Kru. Ka plus Ru. Kru. Like C. Ka plus A. K. Ka plus Kai. I. Kai. So in the standing line we will be writing 2 curves and 1 Shiroreka. Ka plus O. Ko. For this you have to put a standing line and one curve and then Shurarekha. Ka plus au, cow. You have to put a two curve. Cow. Ka plus come. Near at the top, near to the alphabet, at the ending of the alphabet, you will be writing come. Kaha. You will be writing two visarg. This is called visarg, between two dots and a Shurarekha. Kaha. Ka, ki, kuku, kru, ke, kai, ko, cow, come, kaha. So when, as I said, whenever if you have a standing line, see a standing line, at that standing line you will be writing the matras. So for ka, the second ka, where is the standing line? Can you guess? Here is the standing line. So you will be writing, here you have a standing line, and for ka you have put a standing line after that letter, and for ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, cow, come, kaha. And this is nya. We don't have a standing line, so just at the bottom of the letter we will be writing for the matras u and u, ru. For this we will be writing at the bottom of the letters. So nya, ni, nyu, nu, ne, nai, no, now, nam, nyaha, nya, ni, like that you have to practice. This is ta. You don't have a standing line. This is ta, ti, tu, tru, te, tai, to, tau, tam, taha. This is ta. Ta, here is the standing line. For tha, here will be writing tha. Ti, the standing line will be writing like this. Ti, tai, ta, tu, tru, te, tai, to, tau, tam, taha. Ra, ri, ru. For ru and ru, you will be writing not at the bottom, you will be writing at the middle. So this will not come like in a 6, you will be just put a curve, that's it. And this ru, you will be putting little slack, slipping line, and same like in a 9 type, you will be writing for the ru. You will put a box so that it will be easy for you to note. Ru, re, rai, ro, rau, ram, raha. This is nya, ni. I said no, nya, ni, ny, nyo, nye, nyai, nyak, nyao, nyak, nyaha. So this is, you practice for all the letters, you write it. I just showed for few letters. So the remaining every Barakadi letters have the Barakadi has to be written in the similar way. So you write all the Vyanjans letters in the left hand side and the Aiki matras on the top, and then you will be writing all the Barakadis, and you will be knowing each and every letters how to write with the example I haven't taught you. So it will be a practice for you to understand and learn. Thank you friends. I'll be posting up other videos you'll be for Hindi, Anuswar, and then half matra I'll be posting in the next videos. So in upcoming videos I'll be posting more videos for you to understand how to learn Hindi. So subscribe my channels friends. Thank you.